guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So in today's video, we'll be showing you guys me doing a apple cider rinse on my hair, and this is actually helpful if your hair is dry, tangled, and your curls are not as defined as you've seen before. And that's actually me right now. Like, I noticed a lot of changes in my hair over the past couple of months, and I'm like, okay, I seen that apple cider vinegar is actually helpful to bring the pH balance back in your hair, and I'm like, I need this because I've been experiencing a lot of shedding, and I'm assuming it's postpartum shedding because I've been reading a lot of articles, and it says that your hair starts to shed and change after 3 or 6 months after your baby is born. And I feel like I've been having that. So hopefully this apple cider vinegar can bring a little balance back in my hair, and I see a lot more defined curls because, as you can see, my hair is like super dry right now. So like I said, hopefully when I do this rinse and I can see a little difference. So stay tuned. So basically what you have to do is get a spray bottle or one of those little bottles that you have in your house that's empty, and I put cold water in here, and then I'm going to mix it with some apple cider vinegar, so to dilute the apple cider vinegar a little bit, and I will mix these two together. Pour in a little bit. Ooh. And it's crazy because I'm not sure how much you're supposed to even put in there, but let's see if this works out. So don't judge my hair, guys. I know it looks super dry and definitely super tangled, but hopefully when I put this ACV rinse in my hair, my curls will come back to life. Like I said earlier, guys, my hair is super tangled and has been like this for the past couple of months. So this ACV rinse is supposed to basically detangle your hair, and hopefully it can do that. But as of now, I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and basically just take out all these tangles before I put the rinse in, because I want my hair to be super smooth before I put this rinse in my hair. So now that my hair is fully detangled, what I'm going to do is take my spray bottle and just apply it to the top of my hair for now. And I'm just rubbing that into my scalp. So I'm going to start with this one. And this is basically just a cleanser to get out all the buildup product out of your scalp. And I feel like that's basically what's going on here. And like I said, put the pH balance back into your hair. So make sure you get the ends of your hair. So I'm gonna just do that basically throughout my whole head. And it smells really bad too, guys. Also forgot to mention that you do want to keep your hair into sections while applying the rinse so that you know that your hair is being fully cleansed, and avoid getting any in your eye, because as you can see, guys, that has happened to me. But this is my first time using this rinse, and so far I really like it, guys. My hair feels really smooth and it's not as many tangles as it was before when you see me first starting to wash my hair. Like I said earlier, guys, this rinse is actually helpful for a lot of product buildup, and that's actually what's been going on with me, because if you have been keeping up with my videos, you would have seen that I've been doing a lot of protective styles in my hair, and I've been using a lot of gels and jams, so this rinse is actually helpful for me right now. So I let this rinse stay in my hair for about 5 minutes or so, and my scalp feels really cleansed. I should have used this a long time ago. So hopefully this will help my hair going forward. Also, if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment below on any natural regimens that I can use on my hair. Of course, I'm going to apply my all-time favorite Aussie Moist Conditioner, and this will be helpful to get rid of that apple cider vinegar smell that I was talking about earlier. And this conditioner is also great anyways because I love how my hair feels super soft after using it. So I'm finally done rinsing everything out of my hair, and oh my god, my hair feels so amazing. My hair hasn't felt this soft in like a couple weeks or so. So I will definitely use this rinse again, especially if I need to bring my curls back to life. But I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.